welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today we are going to make the rice balls recipe. Now guys, this recipe you can serve for breakfast, for an evening snack, or you can give it to your kids in their lunch box. It's that versatile and it's very yummy. So guys, without any further ado, let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making these rice balls recipe. And guys, if you do like my recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon, without which you will not be notified each time I upload a new recipe, and it's free of cost. So why wait, right? And guys, if you're wondering what I'm wearing today, I'm wearing a YouTube t-shirt given to me by YouTube. Yay! Along with this cute little pillow. Isn't this just so adorable? Just wanted to share it with you. Anyways, now let's proceed with our recipe. So guys, for this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of rice flour, which is chawal ka atta, 4 tablespoons of fresh coconut, which is gila nariyal, 8 to 10 curry leaves, which is kadi patta, 2 dried red chili, which is sukhi mirch, 1 teaspoon of ginger chili paste, which is adrak mirchi ka paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which is jeera, 1 teaspoon of split and dehusked black gram, which is urad dal, 1 teaspoon of split chickpeas, which is chana dal, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, which is neembu ka ras, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, which is rye, 1 tablespoon of cilantro, which is dhania, salt as per taste, oil about 4 to 5 tablespoons, and 1.5 cup of water. And that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So guys, now in a big kadai or a wok, I'm going to add about 1.5 cup of water along with some jeera, which is cumin seeds, and the ginger chili paste, some salt, and about 1 or 2 drops of oil. And we are going to wait for the water to come to a boil. And now guys, the water has started boiling, so I'm going to add a little bit of the grated coconut. And now turn the flame on medium and then add the rice flour. And now let's mix everything in. And now guys, now that we have everything mixed in, let's turn off the flame and let's cover and keep it like this for the next 10 minutes. So guys, it's been 10 minutes and I have removed our rice dough in a big plate like this. And now I'm going to simply take a little bit of oil in my hands and then I'm going to knead the dough like this. And we are going to do that till the time it becomes nice and soft and smooth. It should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Look how beautiful our dough is looking. Nice and soft. Just very smooth. Now guys, I've also greased this plate. And now I'm going to simply apply a little bit of oil to my fingers. And we are going to make round balls out of this dough. So I'm going to take a very small amount, say the size of a very small lime, and make round balls like this. Very gently, you don't want to press it down really hard on it. So this is the size that I'm going for. And we're simply going to do the same with the rest of the dough and then keep it on this greased plate. And guys, our white balls are ready, nicely shaped and all. While I was shaping them, I basically filled some water in a kadai, put a stand, and now we are going to keep this plate in here and cover it up and turn the flame on high and cook for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 15 minutes. So now let's remove the lid and turn off the flame, and let's remove this plate very carefully out. And look at how nice our balls have turned out. They have a nice glaze, a nice shine on them. And now guys, let's just keep them aside for now. So now guys, in a kadai, I'm going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And once it's hot, I'm going to add the chana dal, which is the split chickpeas, and the split and dehas black gram, which is the urad dal, and the dried red chili, and let's stir it. And now let's add the mustard seeds. And once they start to sizzle, let's add the cumin seeds, which is jeera, followed by the hing, which is asafoetida, and the curry leaves, which is kadhi patta, and half of the grated coconut. Give it a quick stir. Turn the flame on low. And now let's add one by one of these rice balls. And now let's stir them all in. And now just let's add a little bit of the dhania, which is cilantro, and just a little bit of the coconut. And now let's give it a quick stir. And we just cook this for about 2 minutes on low flame, and our dish is now ready. So now let's remove it in a bowl. And isn't our dish looking absolutely amazing? And I absolutely cannot resist it. So I am going to immediately pop this in my mouth, even though it is piping hot. It's like cotton. So yummy. It's so soft, melts in your mouth, and I'm sure kids are going to love it because they look so adorable. Do make it. Do let me know what you think about it. It's piping hot right now. And anyway, so do let me know what you think about it. And guys, if you do like my recipe, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And if you do like my recipes, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links, and I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.